Good evening viewers, welcome to my channel Census 2027 Learning Hub. So in this CMMS video series we will make every concept simple and learn each modules through step-by-step hands-on practice. Learn it, do it and master it. Let's get started. So in our last class we were doing in HLBC portal we are doing the HLB Geo-Tagging and Demarcation. So up to this we have done in our last class. Right, due to some server error we need to discontinue our session in our last class. So we'll resume in this class from the point where we left on our last class. So let's say these are the two HLBs that we have created, right? So now what we have to do, so we will see these HLBs in our in progress state, because these are in progress. As I have already explained that in progress the color will be red inside and red boundary outside. So these are in progress. So here we'll go to the in progress mode and we'll select one. Let's say this one, we have selected this one. So let's say one more thing, these are some of the functionalities that we'll be using. Okay, so there may be some cases that we need this area to be included in this HLB, but this HLBs as we have already created, but there is reshape functionalities there which we can use for including this area, or any area we can use, or reduce the HLB also we can use this reshape button. So let's say we are clicking on reshape button. See, this HLB has been included. So if we want to include this area into this HLB, then we need to start from inside the HLB. Like we need to click it first, and then we need to move, and then we need to click and drag, and then we need to bring it inside the HLB and double click it. Once we do it, you can see this area will be included, right? So we will change the status to complete and we will save it. See, this area is included and this color is also changed. I have also told that if it is completed, then its color will be converted to green, turn to green. So in this example I will show some other feature. Let's say in progress we have another HLB like say this HLB, right? This HLB we have selected. So what we need to do, we need to reduce this HLB size. In our earlier example we have shown that we have included this part, but in this HLB we need to reduce this. Let's say this part we need to cut it and remove it, right, from this existing HLB. For in that case what we need to do, we need to consider this reshape button again, and for cutting we need to start from outside the HLB, right? From here I will click and I will go inside, and the portion which I want to remove, I will just mark this and then remove it. So see that this part will be removed from this original HLB. After that, if we change the status to complete and save, see, this part has been removed. So in this way we can use this in this way we can use this reshape button. So let's say, let me create one more HLB. Right, so here is a temple, right? Let me put it here, Suthia Para temple. Suthia Para temple. I am creating another HLB and I will change the status to completed and I will save it. See, this temple has been turned to yellow. Now I will cover this area as a new HLB, right? So from here I will start the HLB count. I will click it here and no space should be remain uncovered, right? So we should be in boundary, and then I will double click it. See, this portion I have taken, and now I will update it. See, this HLB has been created, so it will be in progress. See, it will be in progress, right? This HLB. So you can see again server issue. As more and more users are using this portal, training portal, so we are facing some server slowness. I hope you can understand this point. Let us wait a few seconds and then we can continue with the session. We have no other options because we have only one training servers only, and then we need to do it here only. Let's wait. So I think you are clear with this concept. These are some of the, let me explain few things also till the server gets up. We will explain some of the points. So this is the geotagging. First we need to geotag the HLB and then we need to demarcate it, right? These are 2 points that we'll be doing for demarcation and geotagging any. Okay, the server is up again. So now I will explain this redraw option. I have explained the reshape, and now I will explain the redraw option. Redo and undo are similarly we can do for reshaping the HLB. So now I will use this redraw option, right? So I will click the redraw option. So it is asking redraw HLB boundary. Do you want to redraw selected HLB boundary? I will say yes, confirm. And then what I will do, I will start from here. Redraw means one way I am creating a new HLB. All the boundaries will be changed. Everything will be changed, right? See, I am creating a boundary over our old HLB. I will double click it. So this HLB will be created and our old boundary will be removed. So after that, if we complete it and I save it, see this, we have got the updated one. Got it now? So this is how the redraw functionality works. So these are some of the functionalities of HLB. How we are creating demarcating and geotagging the HLB. Okay, these are some of the way we are demarcating, and we are first what we have done, we have geotagged it with some landmark, and after that we have done the HLB demarcation. So these two functionalities we are using under map. So for in this video we'll do a few more HLB demarcation, and after that we'll continue in our next video. So let's say let me create another one more HLB, and again let's say here one blue house, let's say blue house landmark, and let us change the status to completed. Okay, and now I will draw the HLB. You are getting how I am doing, right? It's very easy. Just click and drag. Nothing to worry. Just click and drag and then double click. Right? This will be my HLB, and I will change the status to complete and update. So see, this is the new HLB. So okay, this will be my last HLB that I have created in this video. I will continue with the HLB in our next video. So I hope you all like this video. Thank you for watching this video, and hope this video will be beneficial for this forthcoming Census 2027. For more step-by-step CMMS practical videos, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any upcoming session. See you in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.